What up, guys? I know you get hungry sometimes. I get hungry too. We're all human. So in today's video, I wanted to show you a hemp milk recipe. This recipe has got medjool dates in it, which are really delicious and very sweet and full of potassium and iron and calcium and all these great things. And then we have organic hemp hearts. So this is going to be a simple 2-ingredient milk, and it's going to taste amazing. And yeah, so let's get right into it. This blender has like 3 blades in it, but yeah, this hemp seeds are really great for protein. They're really great for omega-3s. They're really great for magnesium. And yeah, this blender has like 3 blades in it. Look at that, guys. That's wild, isn't it? What a blender. What a blender. But yeah, hemp seeds are incredible. You know, the cannabis plant has many uses. People always just want to smoke it, but that's actually possibly one of the worst ways to use it. And there's a million ways to use the cannabis plant, and this milk is one of them. So yeah, we got the seeds in there. Dates are just an incredible sweetener, guys. Nothing beats dates. Look at that. Natural sugar, full of calcium, full of potassium, full of whatever dates have in them. They grow in the desert. So a lot of these plants that survive harsh climates, you got to ask yourself, what kind of genetic information does this plant have in it that allows it to survive these harsh climates? Because these dates can grow in deserts, and cannabis grows all around the world. So you got to ask yourself, because I call it weed, because it grows like a weed. So you got to ask yourself, what is it about these plants that makes them so strong and so sturdy? And is it possible that by putting that in our body, we might get some of that genetic information in us? So that's why making milks like this excites me, because when you pick the best ingredients from all around the world, like dates are from their own region, cannabis grows in its own region, you can make magic, right? And a lot of the stuff in the grocery store is at such a low quality these days. And in my opinion, that's why a lot of us are struggling, because we're not being nourished properly. So our bodies oftentimes get demineralized. So this milk is packed full of minerals and can help remineralize your tissues, packed full of protein, all that good stuff. So that's why I get excited about recipes like this. Probably throw a little bit more hemp seeds in there, make it nice and dense in protein. And yeah, good stuff. So the milk is done blending. Now we're just gonna strain it with a nut milk bag into here. I'm probably gonna have to do that off camera because it's gonna take a lot of my hands to do. But yeah, we're just gonna strain it into this pot from the blender. So this jar is huge. This is like half a gallon. So we didn't even make enough milk to fill this up, but it is what it is. I bet it still tastes amazing. Just dates and hemp seeds, guys. That's it. Do you want to try it out? See what... All right. Well, I love it, guys. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Try this recipe. Simple. Let me know what you guys think. I went liberal on the dates, guys. I almost used a whole package. I don't know why people are afraid of natural sugar in moderation. You know, people always want to do keto or carnivore, but I think carbohydrates in moderation can be great. So we went liberal on the dates. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Love you all. Until next one, I'm out. Peace.